This is where the pipes are bowed underground. After the plumbers didn't do anything to code, or to, I should say, a lot not to code and not per plan. I had no confidence and asked them to scope the pipes, and we confirmed that this area, the pipes were bowed and backed up underwater. The saw broke, so can't go underground just yet. But all this area marked in the orange is going to be cut later and has to come out. It's also outside to the curb, and under the curb it's like a pretzel and backed up in water and bowed. So I'm going to have to redo all of that. Hired new plumbers to do all the plumbing per plan and to code, because the other plumbers abandoned the project just like the contractor and didn't do anything right. So by the end of this week, all the floors will be cut and on the exterior to the curb and redone underground. We're just about to get to the rough inspection for all the new plumbing that had to be done. So it's like I paid twice for plumbing, just like everything else in this house, because the contractor couldn't follow the plans or build to a minimum code requirement. This wall is coming down because it was supposed to be solid concrete, but he ignored the plans and put up block. Changed my approved window sizes so these windows don't work with the cabinets. They're all coming down and have to be reordered, and we're going to be delayed 8 or 9 weeks. And on all the openings, the contractor didn't go 8 inches past the openings, and in this case didn't even make it halfway, so can't support the load. This is going to have to come down and put in a new beam to get this area right. Contractor didn't do this right several times, and when I kept telling him the opening was not per plan, he asked me if I could get different appliances, which the answer is no. Right here is where I cut a core hole for the range hood, and we discovered that the concrete guy never hit solid concrete, and that gave us the clue that he didn't put in the 16-inch bond beam per my plans and only put in an 8-inch bond beam. And it occurred to me that if he's willing to not build per plan here, that he probably didn't follow anything else. And so we then ended up opening the house to find out that on this wall where it's cut, there's no footing for this new wall they put up, and around the entire house there's no rebar to the footing. So my house is like a house of cards, and they're redoing that. So almost everything is redone in this house, and is delaying us probably like over a year. What a shame. Bad contractor.